Hi, this is No Informatics. I am Harry, and this is a quick guide on how to use the Resources tab in WERK. So with the Resources tab open like here, you either for the first time or like we do it here, add a resource by just selecting New. There you are. So, and then you can just start typing in and you say OK. And then you can go to your email, jim@clark.com. You do the prefix. That is usually very straightforward, whatever you want, but JC makes it good. You can choose a manager, whoever the manager are. Then rolling day or month on first, that's the availability of this resource. A rolling day would mean that you can book this person any day, and first of monthly on first just suggest that there's an open period in the beginning of the month that you can book this resource, and that is a choice that you can do. Then of course active, we just choose here rolling day, and then active means this is a resource that is active and on duty. You can choose if this person is bookable or not. Then you've got kind of two permissions that you grant people. Usually it's an administrator's role, but you can tick edit customers. That means he can make changes to the companies, to the clients column. You can also choose edit resources, and then you can change the details here. Usually that, like I said, is for administrators. Then the lead time is 30 days here. You can just change it if you want to. You can make it whatever you want. But the lead time means the time that is open for bookings to be made. So this is 30 days, meaning that Jim Clark can be booked for the next 30 days. And then every day it will move on one day. So that is the lead time. The close lead time is just to give some grace. In the next 3 days, this person is not bookable, and you can change that also. So just that it's not tomorrow there's suddenly a new appointment, and that creates havoc sometimes. Then the color is you can pick a color for a resource, and it's quite amazing because it reflects in the daily the daily emails to all the people, to all the resources, to the managers, and so it's easy to pick up your different resources and people. And that you can just for a time save or everything. Very important. The next thing is the slots. This means that is that when the slots where this person is bookable, and that is really the description is whatever you want to make it. You can have hourly, you can make it just a daily, you can have it 2 times a day, you can have 2 slots in the morning too, just as you prefer. So let's just choose that. Just start typing and it will open up here. Go to that. Let's make this a morning one. Okay. And then you choose I don't know why morning, just make sure it's there. Then by double clicking you choose the days that this person can be booked, and let's make it a normal week. And then we go just the normal wing is arrow down, and we get afternoon slot. You say OK, and again just choose the days where he or she will be available. Afterwards again, there you've got it. You can save it. The next thing is you can have a nice write-up for your resource. I already had something prepared, so let's just copy and paste, and there's the write-up, and then you can upload an image. And I know this image is in JPEG, so I go there, and there's my friend Jim Clark. We open, and we save, and there you have it. Again, you don't see the image, and I'm going to tell you now why, because we're just going to the customer portal app, Roop, where you will see from where your clients would see these details in another perspective. Yeah, so when we open Roop, then you'll see here you've got your guy Jim Clark from the list. He's already there. You show the profile and there's everything, and this is for your customers. If they now want to book him, they can just book, and it will again reflect here. And that is it for our resources tab in WERK. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us. Know informatics, because it is good to know.